What's up, guys? It's your girl Poocee, bad bougie Poocee. I'm going to show you guys how to put this face together. So let's see what I do. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today, makeup. As you can see, just brushing on my eyebrows, what I have. I am actually interested in getting some of that eyebrow tattooing from the CVS or Rite or something like that. I saw somebody's video with that and I liked it because I don't have any eyebrows, but I can draw some on really good, but I don't like doing them every day. So here we go. Now some people start with their eyes. I don't. I start with my some people start with their eyebrows. I don't. I do start with my eyes, but not my eyebrows. And I have a bunch of different makeups that I use. For my liner, my eyelid liner, I use L'Oreal. And I'm just going to start by applying them. I'm sitting down right now, but for my eyelids, I do have to get up because I need to be as close to my mirror as possible. Never mind the sports in the background my husband is watching. Sports, of course, but I have to be as close to my mirror as possible. So here we go. Because I don't want to go too thick. I don't want a thick line. I just want something natural, a natural look. But I do want it to be noticeable. Okay. Now, just want to let that dry for a moment without trying to blink my eye, so I don't get the eyeliner down on my underline here. Here we go with the second eye. For some reason, they never ever come out the same. So I have to do a bunch of adjusting. My right eye always comes out the way that I really want it. My left eye doesn't. So what I have to do is always change my right eye to match my left eye. But that's not the way I really wanted it or intended it for it to go. So okay. So there's that right eye. So now here we go. Can you see? Can you tell that my left eye is thicker than my right eye? So now I have to match the right eye, and here comes the complicated part because I don't have a steady hand. And still not there. Poocee. Okay, so I just want to look at that, and I can tell here that I did not catch my lid under here. Okay, so bothers me that I can never get my eyes the same each time. But I do have a little mark that I got on my eye. So I'm just taking some mineral water and a Q-tip and wiping the corners of my eyes off where I got it on my skin. Okay. Let's clean it up a little bit. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit here. Let's clean it up. Okay. Great. Now I'm going to start. My next will be my eyeliner. And I use the Neutrogena. It doesn't run, and I tested a whole bunch of them. And this one does not run. And it does not give me the little corner eye boogers at the end of the night. And this is perfect. It glides on really good. And you can also do the underlid. It does have the brush or the smudge there. If you wanted to just give it a little more effect under the eye, dramatic effect. As you can see, it gives you that. Okay. Alright. Second eye. I don't have a particular eye or where I start on first. Wherever my hand goes, whichever eye or side my hand leads me to, that's where I start. And let's try this here to give it the dramatic effect under this eye. Alright. Perfect. Again, that was the Neutrogena brand. And I like my makeup dark. As you can see, I am really, really high yellow. Like a true red bone. And so, for some reason, I just like dark makeup. It does give me a dramatic look. The look that I'm looking for. Like the Kardashians. You can say what you want to say about them, but their makeup be on point. Their Felique Swad, or whatever you call them, on point. They really have them girls' makeup looking fierce.